Hey guys, welcome to our channel Regrob.com where we deliver actual videos of residential as well as commercial projects. So friends, in today's video, we'll give you the actual view of ATS Happy Trails project which is located in Noida Extension. So we are on the project location, and as here you can see the ATS Happy Trails project. It is spread over 8.50 acres of land and consists of 12 number of towers with 28 floors each. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments, it's an under construction project. As here you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. So friends, as we know that ATS homes are known for their lush green environment, modern architecture and world-class amenities. So this project will help you to live happy in the serenity of nature trails. So from here you can take the view of the locality. It's a grand project by ATS by the name of Happy Trails. This project is well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents, and the site is in close proximity to various civic utilities for the comfort of the residents. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.